Oh, siap khaner kayang Sanjay Verson goalkeeper. An hai Sanjay Verson yak ngo tam khaner kana. Kena Nova Sudarsan chance maka. Chance maka Nova Sudarsan. Oh, garam chole tong haja khela. Nova Sudarsan tam khaner kana Nova Sudarsan. Wah, mayu. Kitchen bagai. Sanjay Verson yak ngo ball. Wah, mayu. Siap dah mana yang Nova Sudar nih goalkeeper. Lagi na. Oke, mingke DBS Nova Sudar. Yang tunggu Saint Xavier song. Second quarter final mo. Player sok. Angko baga. Second quarter final mo, second match nai tung di ekdom jomong nai
volunteers, there is a dog just in front of the gallery. Make sure the dog don't enter in the playground.
Ini second quarter final angka Don Bosco Nova Sudar versus Saint Xavier nai tung di sampai. Kala jong nai tung di sampai. Ready. Ini je paine bono semi final lo mathang nai tung di sabo winner. Start angka.
Finally we go. We the final whistle. Play whistle. Now this is thrown by Saint Xavier.
Starting orang yang ekdom jotono. Kaprai thang lajak. Saint Xavier song yang manghayang DBS Nova Sudar song tam khane kana. Manghayang. Nova Sudar song tam khane kana. Wow! Starting on goal khair kayang. Tam khane kana. Wow! Nova Sudar song goal khair kayang. 9 number jersey number 9. Ini ka goal. High ball we have to score. Hamzah gol som goal khair ka yang Nova Sudar nengai tam khane kana second tabuk. Yang Saint Xavier sing yak ngobol. Makwa yang DBS Nova Sudar song tam khane kana. Telang tong yang hai.
Still hungry for another goal. Nova Sudar passing the ball right inside the box. Unfortunately, in the hands of the goalkeeper.
Mangkwa Nova Sudar song. Ana yang Saint Xavier song yak ngo tam khane kana.
Kabur tam lem sa.
Long pass into the corner. Jersey number 9.
Oh, clear ka.
Manchai trying to create a chance, but unfortunately haven't stopped by the defender there. Saint Xavier second to cross with a free kick here. Justice at the box.
Saint Xavier sentas mau ri malia. Kala ekdom jomo ko tonggo starting ono. Ek goal ri kayang Nova Sudar song.
Jersey number 11.
Ane hai. Yang Saint Xavier song yak ngo tam khane kana Saint Xavier song. Nova Sudar song ko yang DBS Nova Sudar song telang tonggo tam khane kana. Telang tong yang borok. Chance ajo tong goal khane ne. Ya nai siap khane kayang. Out.
The first is scored. Second quarter final. Nova Sudar.
Yang Saint Xavier song tam khane kana. Saint Xavier song yak ngo. Yang second kayang. Nova Sudar song yak ngo tam khane kana Nova Sudar song. Tam khane kana chance mane tonggo. Out. Ana tam khane kana Nova Sudar song yak ngo. Yang save kanya ka yang.
St. Xavier's. Bahan to Figanacho, the ball passed.
Corner kick maka yang St. Xavier's ng tamkan kana.
At this opportunity. And here,
St. Xavier's ng tamkan kana.
the first corner kick.
Corner kick kana.
Lane taking out the corner kick. Just inside the box.
Oh,
As well as well defended.
chance mo ni Maruk.
There's a stop post foul committed by Dambisco Highlanders. Option number 4, Smile, the captain of St. John, is taking out the free kick. A beautiful stop pass.
One.
St. Xavier's ng yak mo.
Beautiful pass. That is still. St. John's with the ball. Not to bring cover to get forward.
St. Xavier's ng tamkan kana.
17. Abo. That was a nice block. Foul secured by the official referee. So this foul to the floor. Near the center.
Oh, hasap ka mo. Take it sana bagoy.
To catch the ball in one shot. Unfortunately, had an injury. The prize medical team to be
Dukha maka goalkeeper dukha maka kisa. Borjan dukha maka. Biago sang.
second quarter-final match between St. John's versus the Metro Navasagar. And Navasagar have put the first goal in the first minute.
Tamkan kana yang tabu.
The corner kick
St. Xavier's ng tamkan kana. Oh, save kanya ka.
Dari kecil, Arabella.
Player dukha maka.
Beautiful pass, but not for the striker to reach the ball.
Tamkan kana yang. St. Xavier's ng yak mo tamkan kana. Out tangga.
Go.
Maka yang save kanya ka St. Xavier's ng tamkan kana. Sabir hoga. Sabir hobo.
Oh, that's a foul committed by Tapan.
Box direct, box na.
Quarter final, second quarter final. Gorom choli dongo na kana. Sa winner
Inside the quick line.
out tangga.
Jangan pas, hebat.
There is plenty of time for St. John's to equalize, but they have to make sure that they use every opportunity in the right way.
Mangka yang nomor 1 semangkwa. Bumane Ablia.
Just outside the post.
Kapor Randy. Orang zakas mi. Hei, Hamzah gol suran man.
Giving a shot pass.
Yang St. Xavier's ng yak mo tamkan kana. Yang sa ka yang nomor 1 sang tamkan kana. Nomor 1 sang yak mo. Out.
To join the second part of our match. St. John's struggling to find the ball. By Hamza Kumar in the first minute.
Tamkan kana St. Xavier's ng free kick maka. Maka St. Xavier's ng tamkan kana. Yang maka yang.
One. One of you. One.
Yang maka yang nomor 1 sang tamkan kana nomor 1 sang yak mo. Yang save kanya ka. St. Xavier's ng.
Hey.
That's under. Perfect kick by the captain.
Senjaber santam khane kana. Sep khaina rakha yang Nova Sodarsong.
Cannot. Not giving a chance. Mantai. Senjaber still with the ball.
Hamzat na iya kay Rubo.
A beautiful pass. Exactly to the box. Unfortunately.
Kapur. Tamsa Kapur on Chechu Tangba. Shoot! Hey Hamzat! Hey Hamzat! Why are you staying there?
Senjaber sang yang ngau tam khane kana. Makai Senjaber sama kau tam khane kana. Corner kick khaira hoga. Corner kick. Senjaber sang.
Middle Kapur go! Will not get their head ball. Middle. Don't allow to shoot. Into those number.
Beautiful pass into the box.
Come on.
That's under foul.
Kapur. Come here. What's happening? Fight to.
Borok.
Defend.
This kick big.
Oh, sep khaina rakha goalkeeper. Oh, ada chance maka yang Senjaber song. Sep khaina rakha yang Nova Sodarsong tam khane kana. Nova Sodarsong talang dong yang tam khane kana. Nova Sodarsong yak ngobol tam khane kana. Chance tongko. Offside dah.
Head it.
What an interesting match in the second quarter final.
Hoga.
That's a perfect call. Clearance from the
Dong yak naduk maka. Nova Sodarsong yak ngobol. Nova Sodarsong maka tam khane kana.
just number 11 Nahal giving Katana pass.
Salah kick kana.
Navasata Suresh
Senjaber sang yak ngau tam khane kana.
giving us a pass, beautifully passes in the corner.
Aing sir hopir yang kon teser hok.
Oh, Maria Mendro.
Anai Senjaber sang corner kick maka. Bola khay mana kana brok.
Senjaber sang corner kick, beautifully put inside the box.
Oh, goalkeeper menyerka.
Inside the ball.
Second quarter final hoki soli jong tabuk. Pungnimo lagana sabo winner.
Kapur. Thani. Run.
Beautiful pass.
Oh, mजा कर देखा.
Once again, put the heart to the back of kick toss.
Ball.
Flash.
Maka yang maka. Nova Sodarsong maka. Tam khane kana Nova Sodarsong. Oh, tongko Nova Sodarsong. Chance tongko Nova Sodarsong yak ngau tam khane kana. Oh, corner kick maka corner kick.
Woi, good job.
Corner kick yang pasal aja itu nongol khane bagai. Oh, tiket sana bagai. Chance tongko hai corner kick kena hai. Oh, tongko Nova Sodarsong yak ngau hai. Senjaber sang sekena kayang. Senjaber sang yak ngobol. Tam khane kena. Goalkeeper tam khane kena. Romanya rakha. Goalkeeper sep khane rakha.
Nuhor.
Senjaber sang yak ngau tam khane out.
In the second quarter final. Navasata leading with 1-0.
Oh, Angel.
Back.
Tamkan kena yang, tamkan kena. Goalkeeper Romain Arka.
Gondista.
Handball. Free kick tamkan kena tabuk.
Goal yang naik, goal!
Yang ni supporter yang ni borok. Oh! Goram chalo tongo hockey ekdom. Tini ni second quarter final. Je final sogai nai semi final lo. Yang jotan basal ajak. Gol khane bagai. Oh, tegesan bagai. Chance mamane Rimalia. Hai tongko. Out. Senji Bersong yak ngo. Tam khane kana Senji Bersong. Sen. Handball.
Gutam Texas.
Senji Bersong yang terakhir itu gol khane bagai.
Kabur center.
Siap khanyar kayang. Hai Senji Bersong yak ngo. Tam khane kana Senji Bersong. Yang hujan seperti itu saja nih. Yang jotan basal aja gol khane bagai. Oh, Romain Arka. Ayang go pihak yang goalkeeper.
Thande.
Senji Bersong terang tam khane kana. Siap khane Arka. Yang
putting the ball inside the box, but no one to accept it.
Senji Bersong tam khane kana. Siap khane Arka yang. Handball.
Corner.
Still hungry for another goal. Yeah, to
Back, team back, no hold.
Senji Bersong tam khane kana.
Kapur, bulan.
Nice biasa.
Take you time, mate. Khade, Jackson.
Jackson number 7 is not given any opportunity here to touch the ball.
Senji Bersong tam khane kana. Senji Bersong chance maka. Rimalia borok terakhir ini. Corner kick maka Senji Bersong. Oh, dol se khula chiu.
Number 7, checking the midfield. Well, checking, not giving him chance.
Senji Bersong yak ngo tam khane.
A beautiful shot pass there by Senji Bersong.
Yang siap khane Arka. Nawa saudara tam khane kana tabu. Hai. Nawa saudara sang mangkwa. Tam khane kana yang. Miss Khairka Hamzak Molsom. Half time. Yang Novosodar 1 gol rekha, yang St. Xavier 0. Second half naik tunggu tabung. Ekdom hoki chole tunggu. Second half naik tunggu tabung. Ready.
Still sitting comfortably with 1 goal ahead.
Down direct naik.
That's will be the first corner in the second half of St. Javiers. The goalkeeper,
St. Xavier song corner kick chance borok tam khane kana.
the cross goal coming here. St. Javier in the second half. Consider not.
Atara boy roka.
Offsides the post.
Guys, St. Xavier song yakung ball. St. Xavier song chance maka. St. Xavier song chance mana tunggu. Tam khane kana. Yang siap khane rakha. Ada St. Xavier song yakung.
Mahan giving the first set.
Out.
Mangha with the ball.
St. Xavier song yakung ball. St. Xavier sama tam khane kana. St. Xavier song chance maka. Chance mamane ekdom chance mamane sidok malia St. Xavier song offside.
That could cost St. Javiers a lot.
And hai St. Xavier song makwa yang siap khane rakha DBS Novosodar song. And hai tam khane kana St. Xavier song yakung hai siap khane rakha. Gorom choli tunggu. Hoki choli tunggu ekdom hoki. Ana yang Novosodar song tam khai mana kena. Ana yang St. Xavier song mani tunggu chance bar chance maka borok. Tam kha. Warning. Nomor 9 tim kaca khorok saat warning rakha. Tam khane kana tahu yang St. Xavier song. Anai corner kick. St. Xavier song. Bela ke chance mani tunggu borok. Tam khai mana kana. Yang Jotan baca lajak. Siap khane rakha. Anai St. Xavier song yakung. Anai St. Xavier song tam khane kana. Foul.
In favor of St. Javiers. Very pay attention. Lots of time could be wasted in such a way. Get the opportunity to command the noise. The crowd's getting louder and louder. Because this is very important match. Second quarterfinals between Machado versus St. Javiers.
Yellow card, Rilka. Tam khane kana tabuk. Yang Novosodar song siap khaiman. Siap khane rakha goalkeeper.
Come on, you're giving us a pass. That's the foul. In favor.
Foul maka. Tam khane kana yang Novosodar song foul maka. Free kick. Novosodar song tam khai mana kena. Free kick.
Jackson Zonatria, just number 4, Novosodar Avenue, Soteya Luka.
Oh, siap kaner kayang Sanjay Pearson goalkeeper. An hai Sanjay Pearson yak ngo tam khane kana. Hai nomor 17 tam khane kana. Nomor 17 yak ngo tam khane kana hai. Chance maka nomor 17 chance maka. Siap kaner kayang Sanjay Pearson maka hai.
The foul committed by Nagasado.
Tam khane kana Sanjay Pearson. Free kick khane.
By the striker there. The foul committed by Nagasado. Not let's again the free kick this time. The captain to Sanjay.
Sanjay Pearson berai, belai chance mansuka.
Beautiful best.
Siap kaner kayang, nomor 17 an hai. Tam khane kana.
Beautifully, Kiddy can outlaw. Powerful kick by Major Kiddy.
Yang mo chance Riano, nomor 17. Tam khane kana yang Sanjay Pearson. Out.
That will be another out of number 7.
Je kaham ke thangnai, bono painai tini, bono semi final lo soginai.
Out of. A handball coming to win over 7. Oh, great kick foul. Very active this time. Good to cross the ball. In one touch.
Hai yang nomor 17 maka tam khane kana. Nomor 17 yak ngobol. Tam khane kana. Hai Sanjay Pearson maka. Sanjay Pearson seganya ka. Tam khane kana Sanjay Pearson.
Lands very successful in the first rebound. Well, with the second one, Suresh Chanti coming on the from Mauritius to join the second quarter of the match. A try is by Sanjay Pearson. Wahan clearing the ball in the corner.
Sanjay Pearson yak ngobol. Kami ako. Tam khane kana yang. Nomor 17 tam khane kana. Yang hana Sanjay Pearson maka Sanjay Pearson tam khane kana. Out karka. Ekdom hockey chole tong hockey quarter final mo je painai semi final lo ma thangnai.
Nicely blocked by the captain, Smile. Come on, St. Javiers, we are in the second half. And so much of golden chances has been missed. That's a bad shot from the striker, Nagasado.
Tam ball hai sir.
Ôi, đây cái sẽ bay là ball.
A back pass event.
Hai Sanjay Pearson yak ngo.
Ground kick by the captain, St. Javiers.
Sanjay Pearson maka tam khane kana. Sanjay Pearson chan maka ekdom. Oh. Corner kick maka yang Sanjay Pearson. Lagi sa chance work tam khane kana. Sanjay Pearson bela chance mansuka. Try khai tongo borogo. Gol khane ne tam khane kana. Yang ba ekdom save khai tongo. Nomor 17 save da khaiman. Yang Sanjay Pearson gol khaiman na kana. Yang nomor 17 maka nomor 17 tam khane kana. Out. Anh thằng này. Start khai thằng này. Wah, Melayu. Hem kata. Oh. Syabda Khaimani yang nomor sodar nih goalkeeper lagi na. Lagi na. Gol khair ka. Gol khair ka yang makanya nomor sodar tetap kena nomor sodar miss khair ka Sanjeber sang yak ngobol hai makanya Sanjeber sang corner kick makwa Sanjeber sang atar de thangka jan ban so borobo
That's right, guys and gentlemen. Not with the second one. In fact, he got.
Sanjeber song. Alai free kick maka.
Free kick. The captain.
Goalkeeper sab khana rakha. Yang mako yang nomor sodar sentam khana kena nomor sodar sang maka nomor sodar sang mako chance tam khana kena miss khair ka tongko tam khana kena nomor sodar sang out
Nice location for the box.
Maka yang nomor sodar sang tam khana kena nomor sodar sang chance maka chance maka nomor sodar sang oh gorom chole tong haje khela
Just in the hands of the goalkeeper. We are almost done with the second half as well. Sanjeber with the ball, with Akin. Taking the ball forward. This time Akin is fighting versus Mazapa. Trying to throw the ball forward. In the box.
yang mau chance Riano tam khana kena egronai bono pane nagana sabo tok saya kek ngi tongo sab sekang hai gol khai mana kena
Nicely cleared by Man. Oh, defended well.
Yang Sanjeber sonen chance.
Winner is by Kamu. Just number 12. Could be another corner kick for St. Xavier. Okay.
Tamkan kena tabuk St. Xavier song.
There's a foul committed by St. Xavier. What a beautiful match this is. The game is still on for both the teams. So much beautiful scene from the skillful players.
Oh, mayo gol ka gol. Oh, mayo bong dol sebur ho na dayang go. Aba hero lyrics to golong na ni.
The ball in such a casual way. It's causing a dangerous one. So,
Tamkan kena yang, no saudara sang mangko.
Need to be getting a seconds to jersey number 10. Jersey number 10 is serving for the ball.
Enggak.
In the area for number 2.
DBS no saudara sang free kick kena. Ya yang jotan basal aja gol kena bagai.
Beautiful goal.
Oh.
Attacking by the goalkeeper of St. Xavier. Shaw with the ball.
Time bapai tepat yang itu go. Offside. Oh, boleh ceng teman saya.
You cannot take everything casually. St. Xavier with the ball.
Tamkan kena. St. Xavier sang yak ngobol. Ada St. Xavier sang telang itu go.
St. Xavier with the ball, beautifully passing. Defended by the defender with a powerful kick.
Corner kick maka St. Xavier sang hai.
This could be the one now.
Tamkan kena. Oh, out kita jangan sing udah. Out sebelah. Corner kick होने से कोई. Out throw से बहुत अच्छी go.
Jersey number 7, Suarez trying to not successfully the dribble this time. Little bit of a surprise by St. Xavier. Let's see the base. Change the ball to Hara. Right defended by.
Oh, stylish career का वाच नो. कहाँ?
Beautifully passed. Not such a spell, Ronaldo.
Mana out throw maka yang St. Xavier sang.
We could see most of the players are almost adjusted. Beautiful one.
Sedang main keng nai. Penalty kick. Saya berikan chance tunggu naik kena. Yang nomor saudara sentam kan kena.
That's the captain going for the clearance. Very beautiful headed. Goal. The tallest player.
Out guys.
Hello. Shot on the target, just in the goalkeeper. Goalkeeper trying. He's in the second one. Oh, that's
Ada St. Xavier sang yak ngo.
St. Xavier's.
Tamkan kena. Maka yang nomor saudara sang maka. Nomor saudara sang maka. Oh. Dan mana tong ni? 2 minit dongso.
Good. Nicely placed. A foul come to the St. Xavier for hitting out. Somehow.
Nomor saudara tam khane kana nomor saudara song. Wah, mayu. Kitchen bagai.
So barely taken out of the hands to having the two one fire.
Yang St. Xavier song, chance mana tunggu.
Jetting down to the goalkeeper.
Paris ini bo. Paris ini tahu.
Nicely passed to Lights again.
Paris ini bo. Nah itu ya. Baiknya. Saya beragam tahu nasi di dalam penalti kick. Tahu sekali tong leo. Tahu sang kick mana kena.
To inside. And finally, Joseph decided to
tahu ngaji deh tie breaker naik tong deh 1-1 kah ini tahu tie breaker naik yang DBS nomor saudara ngai tam khane kena situ gerga yang DBS nomor saudara saya gol kah ini yang St. Xavier tam khane kena oh sep khane kaya oh sep khane kaya yang borong ni tim nomor saudara song tim ini yang DBS nomor saudara ngai tam khane mana kena sep khane yang St. Xavier ni goalkeeper sep dah khane mana kena April ka yang borok doir ka jaga ikhana yang St. Xavier sangai tam khaiman lagi na yang sep khanai nomor saudara ni goalkeeper sep dah khaiman yang gol dah khaiman lagi na sawo semi final lo mathang lagi na wow Seger ka kaisa wow dita bo mana kaisa apka अब yang nangin thanga tik kitchen bagai nang makom babo narik mali ai pano tau kick khane yang DBS nomor saudara ngai kaham jamatia tam khai mana kena joto nomor ka kali lajak saw semi final ma thangane St. Xavier ni goalkeeper sab dekhai mana kena oh sab final ka yang kasa sab final ka enggak kau apa pakai chance ka abong ya ko bo chance tong bang bagai abong ya ko chance tong tam khane kana tak bosi tong ya ke malia tai situ gerka yang abang sang situ gerka gol St. Xavier sangai tam khai mana kena yang nomor saudara ni goalkeeper sep dah khai mana kena hapka. Lihat apa tajeng aja. Tawaja chance mo, tawaja save khainen tawaja chance ma kabo. Tajeng basa manang liya. Tak kemarin tahu gua. Novosodar bunai. Kick kena yang. DBS Novosodar ngai tam khai mana kena.
The goalkeeper from Jaguars was so successful with the save. Let's see, this could be another or not.
Tam khai mana kena yang Novosodar ni. Gol khai mana yang Sanjay ne save khai mana kena. Situ gerka. Ya situ gerka boneng ni. Yang tam khai kena Sanjay Bersong. Polar macam biri tong kasan do. Utan namang baik tong kasa. Itu berapa? Asal speed bawah narang Malia. Bela speed ke buka. Tahu yang last DBS Novosodar ngai tam khane kena mau last kick. Yang Sanjay Bear ni goalkeeper save khai mana kena. Taboro bini socks kaisa barang ma bai bono moza kaisa barang ma bono brulia. Next player no ringka. Bono kick khare liya po. Tam khane kena yang Novosodar. Situ berkah. Situ berkah. Baiklah Novosodar semifinal soika. Novosodar tim semifinal soika semifinal. Oh, yang masalah mana ada? Yang Novosodar kaham tengah. Yang baik bro. Oh, Novosodar sampai ke. Oh, yang beli tengah. Oh, yang kelai lagi. Semifinal soika semifinal. Ting tengah. Oh, yang masalah lagi. Oh, yang masalah lagi. Abog semifinal tangka DBS Novosodar song, Don Bosco Novosodar song. Kaham tangka bro. Ayang Sanjay Bear song kaham tangka. Tie breaker palia bro. Tie breaker bro hari kata. Tahu semifinal lo, borong ni kela nuk sinai. Sahabat kelainan naik kena, rosakan kela ini nih, belai ke rosaka.